Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced Certification in Data Science and AI course by IITM Pravartak and Intellipaat. Now since 2012, the data science sector has witnessed a massive hike of 650%, far outpacing any other sector. As organizations continue to lean further towards machine learning, big data and artificial intelligence, the demand for data science roles will continue to witness a sustained and exponential upward surge. To help you master the essential skills of data science and AI, we have created this exhaustive program with IITM Pravartak. Now, what is IITM Pravartak? IITM Pravartak is a technology innovation hub by IIT Madras. Backed by the Government of India, IITM Pravartak leads the innovation hub at IIT Madras in various projects. One major project incubated by the Pravartak banner is India's first ever mobile operating system named Ware OS. Now, we have already helped hundreds of professionals and students achieve a career transition through the learning from this course. We have covered over 45 batches, teaching more than 5,000 professionals and helping them transition and upskill into the data science domain. You can check them out over here. Now here are some of the key highlights of this course. With this course, you get 400 hours of applied learning, 50 plus live sessions across 7 months, 218 hours of self-paced learning. Besides this, you get an opportunity to learn from the esteemed IIT Madras faculty and industry experts from companies like Meta, Amazon, Google and many more. Now at Intellipaat, your learning is not just restricted to online classes. We'll also provide you with 50 plus industry grade projects, case studies, one-on-one mentorship with 24/7 support from a team of dedicated learning managers. You'll get placement assistance services which includes resume preparation, mock interviews and access to Intellipaat's job portal with jobs from 500 plus top MNCs and startups. Now if you're wondering what will you get to learn as part of this course's live learning program, here is a thorough list for that. We'll start with understanding the concepts of SQL and then move on to Python. We'll completely cover the major concepts starting from the basics to advanced, including statistics, machine learning, deep learning, Power BI. Eventually, you'll also get to learn the concepts of cloud, how you can use cloud in the data science domain, and eventually learn how you can utilize PySpark in the field of data science. So what are you waiting for? Grab on this opportunity of learning from the esteemed IIT Madras faculty and get yourself certified as a data science professional by IITM Pravartak. Reach out to us on the number given above or drop us an email if you have any further questions.